Assalamu alaikum everyone. This video is for primary 5 and today the date is 12th of August 2020 and the day is Wednesday. In today's P5 class we have studied the topic seeds, and in which we have studied that which fruits and vegetables are having seeds and what happen when we swallow the seeds, and then we have studied what's inside a seed, and then we have studied the labeling diagram of a seed, food store, seed coat and embryo. Food store is the empty huge part of a seed from where the seed gets the energy. Embryo is a tiny plant that emerge out from the seeds, and the seed coat is the protected layer. Then we have studied the second topic, that is how seed grow. In this topic we have studied the complete germination of a bean seed. Okay, first what happened to the seed? That seed absorbs water and it gets swelled. Then seed coat splits and the first root starts to grow, and after that this seed size starts getting shrink, and then the root starts getting down towards the soil and the shoot starts beginning, and then from the shoot the leaves starts coming out, and this is how that from a seed a young and adult plant is grown. Then we have studied about the seed, that what are the conditions in which a seed can grow into a plant, and in this we got an amazing fact that a lotus plant's seed was survived 1300 years and was found at the bottom of a lake in China. So, and today's class homework was that they have to perform this activity 1.2 at their home, and then they have to submit their prediction and the observation on Friday's class, that they have to soak a bean seed in water. And the next homework is that they have to do these 3 questions which were discussed in the class today. Jazakallah khair.